Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve lead generation with Salesforce, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what lead generation means in the context of Salesforce. Identify your target audience to tailor your lead generation strategy effectively. Utilize Salesforce's built-in CRM features to gather necessary data about your leads. Set up your lead scoring system to prioritize high-quality leads based on engagement. Create customized lead capture forms within Salesforce to gather relevant information from prospects. Integrate Salesforce with your website to automatically capture leads from form submissions. Leverage marketing automation tools in Salesforce to nurture leads through personalized email campaigns. Implement Salesforce campaigns to track the effectiveness of different lead generation tactics. Analyze lead source data to determine which channels are generating the most interest. Use Salesforce reports and dashboards to visualize your lead generation performance in real time. Optimize your sales pipeline by aligning your lead generation efforts with sales team activities. Regularly update and clean your lead database to maintain accuracy and efficiency. Train your team on best practices for using Salesforce to manage and follow up with leads. Continuously test and refine your lead generation strategies based on performance metrics. Consider using Salesforce App Exchange for additional tools and add-ons that can enhance lead generation. Monitor industry trends and competitor strategies to stay ahead in your lead generation efforts. Engage with your audience through social media platforms linked to Salesforce. Review and adjust your approach based on feedback from your sales team regarding lead quality. Utilize Salesforce Einstein AI for insights and predictive analytics to enhance lead generation efforts. By following these steps, you can effectively improve lead generation with Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.